Should you pluck your nose hairs? There is a reason why God has created nose hairs. Hi, this is Dr. Roy with No Health Well. So let's find out the answer of this question and get healthy smartly. The role of our nose hairs. Nose hairs filter particles in air that we breathe so we can take clean air in our lungs. Do you know how many times a person picks up the nose? There was a study done that showed that a person picks up nose 5 times in an hour. It doesn't include only putting the finger inside your nose, sorry to say, but it also includes touching the outer skin of your nose as well. So if your finger has germs, so we're going to prevent those germs from getting inside. So here comes the role of your nose hairs. Danger triangle, or you can say the area on the face between your mouth and nose that's susceptible to passing infections onto the brain. That's because the same veins that carry blood out of the nose meet up with veins that carry blood from the brain as well. And if you pluck your nose hairs, then germs and particles near the hair follicles can get inside and cause an infection. And this infection can involve your brain that can be lethal too. So here is a simple solution. Don't pluck your nose hairs. Consider trimming your nose hairs instead. So long as you don't get too close to the skin inside your nose, it could keep the germs from going inside the brain. This is Dr. Roy signing off from No Health Well. Subscribe and click the bell so to know your health well, and let's get healthy smartly.